The Cell pH Balance Mosquito Repellent Bracelets. They're 100% natural. They're made with essential oils like lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, peppermint. They are one size fits all, so children can wear them, men can wear them, all ages can wear them. You can actually put these on your backpacks, the baby carriage, your dog, anything that you're bringing with you to help repel the mosquitoes. You can wear it on your wrist. You can wear it on your ankle. It has 10-day protection, but after you've used it, make sure that you do put it back in here and seal the container so you can make sure that the essential oils stay fresh. It comes with 12 different ones in 12 different colors. So I'm going to show you what they look like. So you do have to rip this off. I already did that. Open it up and take one of the first ones out, and you can see there's a variety of colors in there. They're all the same size, all the same thing. It smells amazing. So it comes like this, just in a strap, and it's actually kind of attractive to some of the other ones that I've seen before. You have the various sizes here. You just have to punch out the little holes of where it's going to fit on your wrist. You simply put it on. Make sure that the plastic part's in the hole, and voila. And like I said, it's they come in a variety of colors, so if you wanted to get something to match, we have blue, green, I guess this is kind of like a earth clay color, and yellow. And like I said, they really, really smell good, and it's not harmful to you, your skin, the environment. You can put them on anything. I know oftentimes we bring our water bag with us, so you could take this off and slide it around any one of these. And there you go. I personally am a mosquito magnet, and these things work wonders for me. So I won't go outside without them. I keep them by my back door or my front door, and whenever I go outside to take the dog out, I put them on. Otherwise, I will come back with bites and welts all over me. So I really do highly recommend this product. Once again, it's the Cell pH Balance Mosquito Repellent Bracelets. And they work wonders, and they will last you for quite a while. Thank you very much.